feel like it keeps just getting progressively darker in this room today. Like, the weather really can't make its mind up. It's been sunshine, rain, everything in between. We're just gonna have to go with the darker vibes. Today's video is gonna be a PLT try on clothing haul. I am literally so excited. You guys know I love Pretty Little Thing. Really loving like a lot of the stuff they've got on the website at the minute. So I've picked out some of my favorite things to share with you guys. I've just done the try on clips and everything fits, everything looks super cute. Like, I feel like we've got a good range of more like casual and more dressy stuff as well. Sorry, I'm literally gonna have to adjust the settings. As always, I'm going to link all of the pieces down below. This video is actually very kindly sponsored by Pretty Little Thing as well, which I'm so excited to be working with them. You guys know I love them so much as a brand. I feel like half of my wardrobe is PLT, do you know what I mean? Like, I get so many cute pieces on there all the time, so I'm super excited to be working with them on this video. What are we going to begin with? Do you know what? I may as well actually begin with what I'm wearing, because this is something that I picked up in this order. So we've got this little blazer here, which I've literally just paired with a bralette, which is also from PLT. I actually ordered these bralettes like just before Milan because I wanted to basically stock up on some like new just like basics and stuff, and they have these on the website at the minute that you can get in like white and black, and they come in 3 packs. They just pair really nicely like under like blazers and little tops and stuff, so that is how I've styled it. But the main star of the show is the blazer, which is obviously what I've got on here. Don't know what it is at the minute. I'm such a sucker for a cropped blazer. Like, I am obsessed with them. I have obviously this one now that I've got. I really wanted like a cute creamy one, which is why I picked this one up. I've also got a black one that I wear all the time. I feel like having crop blazers in like neutral and super like basic colours are so great because they pair so nicely with basically like any other colour. Super cute, like really easy to style, literally just like such an essential for this time of year, because I feel like autumn in the UK is like such an in-between weather. Like, sometimes it's pretty warm outside and then sometimes it's quite cold, so having a jacket like this is like a really versatile like little piece to have. So yeah, I picked it up in this colour, and then I also got this really cute like emerald green as well. You guys know how I feel about green. Like, I'm obsessed with green. I wear it all the time. I feel like there's so many nice different shades of green as well. So this is obviously more of like a forest green, I would say. Yeah, the fit of this blazer, it is a different style to this one. I would say this one's a little bit more oversized. I actually kind of prefer the fit of this one just because it's a little bit like even more like boxy and structured than the one that I've got on. And really love the colour of this. Again, I feel like it would pair so nicely with like a pair of jeans. Obviously you could put heels on if you want to dress it up, but you can also wear trainers and like jeans or wide leg pants with these too. I feel like they're really easy to dress up or dress down. And then next up, I may as well show you these because I did actually wear these pants with both blazers in the try on clips. So I picked up a pair of wide leg chocolate trousers. I love wearing chocolate tones this time of year. I feel like they're just so like autumnal and wintry, and they look really gorgeous on. They pair so nicely with like every colour as well. Like, I feel like you can wear chocolate with like nude, you can wear it with white, you can wear it with black. Like, there's so many different ways that you can like style it. And I love the fact that these are quite like they're kind of like a tailored pant style, I would say. Like, they do up at the front here, super long leg. Like, I love the wide leg pants from PLT because they're always really long on the length. So yeah, I picked those up just to go with like, I mean, I feel like you could pair it with this blazer and that'd be really cute. It's like all different neutrals. Sorry, where is my voice going? Or you could pair it with like a nude bodysuit and maybe like a leather jacket or something if you wanted it to be a little bit more like dressed down. Again, wide leg trousers for me are like an essential at the minute. I feel like I wear them all the time. A, because they look really cute, and B, because they're like so much comfier than anything that's like more tapered or skinny on the leg. Okay, let me talk to you about this dress because I now have this dress in potentially every colour. I mean, they probably do a couple more colours. This is the 3rd time I've bought it in a different colour. This is actually the dress that I wore for my 24th birthday. If anyone saw the picture on my Instagram, it was when me, Mads, Rach and Mill all went to Rosso for dinner. This was like just before me and Rach went to Ibiza. Because I saw this dress on the website. Obviously it wasn't this exact one. Like, the one that I wore was like a cobalt blue. I'll put a picture here. Honestly, when I wore that dress, I had to order another colour for Ibiza. I got like an olive green. And then I saw, obviously on the website, like the other day when I was shopping, that they have this colour. Just this really gorgeous, like emerald green. And this colour in like a satin material. Sold. Like, absolutely say no more. I had to have it. This is part of the tall collection from Pretty Little Thing as well, but the thing that I like about these dresses is they're actually ruched and they have these tassels, so you can kind of adjust how long you want them. So I feel like even if you're not a tall person, I mean, I'm not sure if they actually do this in like the normal range anyway, but if they only do it in tall, like I feel like it doesn't matter too much because you can pull the dress up with like the strings anyway. It basically just like ruches like so, and then at the top it's like a crossover kind of like halter neck situation. It's really hard to show when it's not on, so obviously you'll see better in the try on clip. Looks really just like classy on, which I love, and I do actually get these dresses in a 6. I definitely size down in them. I feel like they're very like forgiving in terms of the fit, because I don't know, just with it being ruched and stuff, I feel like you can definitely afford to size down and it's not going to be too tight. But yeah, definitely one of my favourite pieces. Like, absolutely love this. Okay, and then something else green. As you can see, there is quite an obsession with green. Like, I'm not even going to deny it because I genuinely love green so much. I wouldn't really say this is like autumn winter, but to be fair, I feel like you could layer this if you were like going on a night out, and then obviously like you can take your coat off in the club and then you still have like a cute outfit on. But I saw this skirt, which I don't know what it is about like velvety stuff at the minute. I just think it's so gorgeous. Just love like the shine of it. I'm pretty sure this was styled on the model with like a white shirt, which is what I have in mind to do. For the try on clip, I literally just wore this white bralette just so that you could see the skirt and stuff like properly. But again, the fit of this, what size did I get in this? I got a size 8, literally perfect. Like, I love the waistline on this. It kind of like dips down a little bit towards the side where there's this like ruche detail, and again you can pull it so that you can make the dress a little bit shorter. It's got a second like ruched section at the side as well, so you can kind of like adjust the hem to how you want it to be, which I think is a really, really nice detail. You could definitely pair this with like a bodysuit if you wanted to layer it a little bit more, like a long sleeve high neck bodysuit or something. I would probably wear this with a white shirt. Like, I think just with it being like such a bright pop of colour, I feel like something really neutral on the top and then like a neutral pair of heels would be really, really cute. Absolutely love that. I don't know why, it gave me like such Christmas vibes as well. Maybe it's like the shade of green or like the material, but I just thought it'd be really, really cute for like a night out. Okay, and then next up we've got a shirt dress. I have actually hung this up because I wanted to like gently steam it before I tried it on. This is literally just like a plain white, it's like a slightly fitted shirt dress. It's kind of almost got like a corset detail like built in, I would say. It cinches in a little bit on the waist, which is super cute. So really nice length. I feel like shirt dresses are always like a 50-50 for me just because I am a little bit on the taller side, but really lovely in terms of the length. I love the way the bottom of the dress kind of like rises towards the sides as well, so it's got like a bit of a dipped hem at the front and back, which is a really nice detail. Super nice in terms of like the cuff sleeves. Really, really flattering on. I think because it has the shape where it like pulls in a little bit on the center, obviously like it just gives you a little bit more like shape, and it just kind of like emphasizes your figure a bit more, which I really like. You could wear a trench coat with this and some little like flat over-knee boots. Like, you could just style this in so many ways. So I wanted to pick this one up just because I really loved the style of it, and the fit of it is super gorgeous as well. And then obviously it would not be an autumn winter haul if I didn't get a jumper. I feel like I always just make my way through like getting so many different pieces of knitwear this time of year. So I picked this one off the website. They actually had this in 2 colours and both of them were really gorgeous. So this is the navy, and then they had a cream version with like navy trim instead, which I thought was really lovely. So I styled this on top of the shirt dress just because I feel like you could wear it that way with some like over-knee boots, or I would probably style this like over a normal shirt and maybe like a pair of jeans or something, or like some little shorts and again some over-knee boots or something like that. I just think it looks really nice over a shirt with like the collar underneath. Obviously you could wear this on its own as well with like a pair of jeans or like a little skirt or something. so many different ways, again, you can style this. It's just like very different to anything I have in my wardrobe currently in terms of knitwear. I quite liked the neckline as well, just the fact that it's such like an intense like V-neck. Okay, and then it also would not be an autumn winter haul if I didn't get a coat. So I saw this coat on the website and I was like, that just looks A, so cozy, and B, so glam that I just have to have it. So I picked this up here. It's a black like faux leather long line coat. I'm pretty sure, yeah, this is actually classed as petite, so I was like 50-50 as to whether or not to get it, but I'm glad that I did because I feel like the length of it is like a really nice length on me still. Got this really gorgeous like faux fur white trim going around like the neckline, and then also the wrists, I guess. I just love this. I just think it's so different to anything I have. Like, I don't really have any coats with like fur trim, and I feel like when I'm just in the mood to be like a little bit more glam, like I feel like this would look so cute with a pair of heels or something on a night out. And then obviously you could have like a little black dress underneath, and then that could be a second outfit for the evening. Like there's so many, again, so many different ways you could style this. It would go with biker boots too for like daytime. The fur trim does actually detach, so you can kind of like just wear it as a plain black leather coat if you want to, which is really nice. I feel like it's just a bit of a 2-in-1. And then last but not least, I got a pair of new boots. I'm such a sucker for boots in the winter time, like biker boots, over knee boots, which is what these are, like little heeled boots, sock boots, like every single kind of boot I feel like I have to have a pair of. So I saw these, they're like full on over knee faux leather like stiletto heels with like a pointed toe. Obsessed. Like I was like, I'm probably not even gonna be able to walk in those, but I need them anyway. The thing that I love about these as well is they kind of puff out a little bit at the top, so they're not like a tight leg all the way up. Go out a little bit towards the knee, which I thought was a really nice detail, and they have got a zip at the back to help get them on, which is really lovely. The heel is high and I'm not the best at walking in heels, but I feel like because they're a boot, you obviously have like a lot more support around the foot, so it doesn't bother me too much. I feel like I definitely obviously saved these for like a night out with like a little dress or like the shirt dress or something. Just love the fact that it was such like a simple plain black leather as well. Like I don't really have any boots like this at the minute in my wardrobe. So that was the last little thing that I picked up. That is everything that I got for today's video. I do actually have another haul coming with PLT soon, so you'll get to see some more bits that I picked out then. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what your favorite piece is down below. As I said, everything is going to be linked as well, and a big thank you to PLT for sponsoring this video. Anyway, I'm gonna get going. I'm actually going to Bongo's Bingo tonight. I'm literally so excited, so I'm gonna go and finish getting ready and head out. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching as always, and I will see you in the next one.